What if some repairs you're planning before selling your home actually don't increase your price and may even waste your money? Selling a home can feel overwhelming, especially when deciding what to fix and what to leave as it is. Many sellers spend money on upgrades thinking it will boost value, but that's not always true. In this video, we'll go through repairs that may not give you a good return. Why you should keep watching. If you're planning to sell your home, this video can save you time, stress, and money. By the end, you'll understand which repairs buyers may not care about as much as you think. You'll also learn how to focus on changes that actually make a difference. Let's get into it. 1. Full kitchen remodel. A full kitchen renovation often feels like one of the best ways to increase your home's value. New cabinets, fresh countertops, and modern appliances can make the space look completely different. It gives that wow feeling, and many sellers believe it will attract higher offers. But here's the reality. A full remodel can be very expensive, and the return on that investment is not always guaranteed. Buyers have different tastes. What looks perfect to you may not match what they have in mind. For example, you might spend around $25,000 creating a sleek, modern kitchen, but a buyer may prefer a more traditional style or different colors. In that case, they might plan to change it after moving in, which reduces the value of your upgrade in their eyes. Instead of going all in, it's often smarter to focus on simple, cost-effective updates. Cleaning the kitchen thoroughly, repainting cabinets, updating handles, or improving lighting can make the space feel fresh and inviting. These smaller changes can create a strong first impression without spending a large amount of money, helping you keep more of your profit when selling. 2. Luxury bathroom upgrades. Turning your bathroom into a spa-like space sounds appealing. Features like high-end tiles, designer fixtures, and a large soaking tub can make the room feel luxurious and relaxing. As a homeowner, it's easy to believe that these upgrades will impress buyers and increase your home's value. But in reality, these upgrades don't always lead to a higher selling price. Many buyers are not specifically looking for a luxury bathroom. What they usually want is something clean, simple, and fully functional. As long as everything works well and looks fresh, that is often enough. Spending a large amount on premium materials may not give you a strong return. Buyers might appreciate the look, but they may not be willing to pay extra for features they didn't specifically ask for. Sometimes, keeping things simple works better. Fixing leaks, replacing broken fixtures, re-caulking edges, and giving the space a deep clean can make a big difference. A fresh, well-maintained bathroom often feels more inviting than an overly customized one. Quick question for you. Have you ever walked into a home and felt like the upgrades just didn't match your taste? That happens more often than people expect, and it's something worth keeping in mind when preparing to sell. 3. Bold paint choices. Painting your home is usually one of the easiest and most effective ways to refresh the space before selling. A fresh coat of paint can make rooms look cleaner, brighter, and more inviting. It also gives buyers a good first impression when they walk in. But going too bold with color choices can sometimes backfire. Bright colors, strong patterns, or unique designs may reflect your personality, but they don't always appeal to everyone. For example, a deep red wall or a dark-colored ceiling might stand out, but not every buyer will see it as a positive feature. When buyers visit a home, they often try to imagine themselves living there. Bold colors can make that harder because the space feels more personalized to someone else's taste. That's why neutral colors are usually a safer choice. Shades like white, beige, or light gray create a clean and simple look. They make rooms feel more open and allow buyers to picture their own furniture and style in the space. In most cases, keeping the color palette simple can help your home appeal to a wider range of buyers without spending too much money. 4. Replacing all windows. New windows can improve energy efficiency, but replacing all windows before selling can be very costly, and most buyers may not pay significantly more just because the windows are new. If your windows are working fine, you might not need to replace them. Just make sure they are clean and functional. 5. High-end landscaping. A beautiful garden can definitely make a home feel more welcoming. Fresh flowers, neat pathways, and well-designed landscaping can create a strong first impression. It's natural to think that investing more in the outdoor space will help increase your home's value. But spending a large amount on detailed landscaping may not always give you the return you expect. Many buyers prefer outdoor spaces that are simple and easy to maintain. They often want the freedom to design the garden in their own style after they move in. For example, you might spend a lot on custom plants, decorative features, or complex layouts. But a buyer may not share the same vision and could see it as something they need to change later. Instead, basic improvements can be very effective. Keeping the lawn trimmed, removing weeds, cleaning pathways, and making the space look tidy can go a long way. These simple steps help create a clean and pleasant environment without high costs. Think about this. When you visit a house, do you focus more on the garden design or the overall feel of the home? For most people, it's the overall impression that matters more. 6. Full electrical upgrade. A beautiful garden can definitely make a home feel more inviting. Green lawns, trimmed plants, and a clean outdoor space can create a strong first impression for buyers. It's easy to think that spending more on landscaping will help increase your home's value. However, large landscaping projects don't always bring a good return. Many buyers prefer outdoor spaces that are simple and easy to manage. They may want to design the garden based on their own taste and lifestyle after moving in. For example, if you invest in detailed designs, expensive plants, or decorative features, a buyer might not see the same value. In some cases, they may even plan to remove or change those elements, which reduces the impact of your investment. Instead, focusing on basic maintenance is often more effective. Mowing the lawn, trimming bushes, cleaning pathways, and removing clutter can make the space look neat and welcoming without spending too much. A clean and well-kept garden gives a positive impression without overwhelming the buyer. Think about this. When you visit a house, do you notice the detailed garden design? Or do you care more about how the whole home feels overall? 7. Fixing every small imperfection. It's easy to get caught up trying to make everything perfect. A small scratch here, a tiny dent there. But trying to fix every little detail can cost time and money without much return. Buyers often expect some minor wear and tear. Focus on visible and important issues instead. 8. Adding a swimming pool. A pool may sound like a great selling point, but it can also be expensive to build and maintain. Some buyers love pools. Others see them as extra work or even a safety concern. So adding a pool before selling may not always increase your home's value. 9. Converting rooms for specific uses. Turning a bedroom into a home gym or a custom office might suit your needs, but it may not appeal to all buyers. Most buyers prefer flexible spaces they can use in their own way. Keeping rooms simple and multi-purpose can make your home more attractive. 10. Expensive flooring replacement. New flooring can improve the look of a home, but replacing all floors with high-end materials may not always give you a good return. If your floors are in decent condition, deep cleaning or minor repairs may be enough. Sometimes, simple improvements create a fresh look without high costs. Let me know in your mind, which of these repairs were you thinking about doing? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more.